What's up, everyone? So I'm doing a little update on the rough country airbags. I had a RAS before, and a few people are asking for an update. Um, so let me show you guys. So I just picked up 2 yards of 3/4 crushed rock. That's about 2,600 each yard, 2,600 pounds. So that's about 5,200 pounds, right? Trailer alone, dry weight is 3,124. So that's about 8,200, somewhere around the ballpark. So I have them inflated at 57 psi. This airbags could go all the way up to 110, I think, or 105. I never push them that much either. You see the airbags down there. This one right there. Of course, the other one's on the other side. But just to show you guys this difference in squat. So like I said, I got 2 yards in here. I got the wood. I got 4 planks of 16 feet long. So that's another, I don't know, each one of them is like 30-40 pounds, I'm assuming. But look at the squat difference. And I said in many other videos, yes, I do abuse my truck more than I should. I need a diesel truck, I know. But look at the difference, right? So the way I know that I'm basically overweighing the truck too much is the gap here on the bumper. So on each side, if you look, that side and on this side, you see the you basically your trailer hitch or your bumper hitch. This sags down. I've seen this model trucks that people abuse them more than I do, and this is literally bent like this. It's almost like they get rear-ended, right? And but I know it's because of the weight that they put on them. I've pushed mine. I think I've pushed it all the way to like 15K with the airbags, and I started noticing this gap opening up because of the flex of the hitch, right? I know it's not safe. I know that. You don't gotta tell me, but I wanted to show you guys the difference. So with the RAS, I would have been down to the bump stops with this amount of weight. And I know airbags don't increase your towing capacity, but at least you're not riding on the bump stops with your frame on it. And any little bump, could crack your frame. So just a little update for you guys that are wondering the difference. I left my airbags. I will never go back to RAS. I know different opinions out there. I'm just giving you mine. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.